Assalamualaikum. I am Faiza and this is my Arduino based project which is soil moisture sensor. Basically the objective of this project is to create an automated irrigation system that ensures optimal soil moisture level for plants, reducing water wastage and ensuring plants receive the right amount of water. For this project I am using Arduino IDE software and the components required for this project is Arduino, soil moisture sensor, relay 5-volt, LCD with I2C module, breadboard and some jumper wires. So the soil moisture sensor continuously monitors the soil moisture level and sends an analog signals to the Arduino. The Arduino processes the sensor data and display the moisture level on the LCD. If the soil moisture level falls below the defined threshold, the Arduino activates the relay. The relay in turn powers the water pump watering the soil. Once the soil moisture level rises above the threshold, the relay is deactivated, stopping the water pump. So it is an effective method of automating plant irrigation.